Imagine a shop tucked away in a secluded alley. It might be brimming with amazing products, but without foot traffic, it's destined to fail. Websites are very similar. A stunning website with great content won't generate leads or sales if people can't find it. That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, steps in. SEO is about making your website visible to search engines like Google. When potential customers search for products or services you offer, you want your website to appear among the top results. Think about it. When was the last time you ventured past the first page of Google search results? Effective SEO is about attracting visitors and guiding them to your digital doorstep. This means understanding what your target audience is searching for and tailoring your website content accordingly. By aligning your website with search engine algorithms, you're essentially rolling out the red carpet for potential customers. SEO might sound complicated, but its basic elements are fairly straightforward. Imagine SEO as a compass guiding your website to success. Keywords are your navigational points. These are the terms people type into search bars. Imagine you sell handmade soaps. Keywords for your website might include organic soap, handmade soap, or natural bath products. Backlinks are like referrals from other websites. When reputable websites link back to yours, it signals to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Think of it as a vote of confidence from one website to another. Content quality is paramount. High-quality, informative, and engaging content will keep visitors on your site longer, signaling to search engines that your website is worth recommending. Search engines use complex algorithms to determine the ranking of websites for specific keywords. While the exact workings of these algorithms remain a closely guarded secret, SEO helps you decipher the clues and improve your website's visibility. By using relevant keywords throughout your website content, you're essentially telling search engines what your website is about. Creating high-quality content that answers users' questions and provides valuable information encourages other websites to link back to yours, further boosting your credibility. Regularly updating your website with fresh content tells search engines that your website is active and relevant. SEO is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. It's about consistently optimizing your website to stay ahead of the curve. Section 4. Reaping the rewards, traffic and engagement. The fruits of your SEO labor are sweeter than any fruit basket. Increased website traffic is the most obvious benefit of a robust SEO strategy. When your website ranks higher in search results, more people are likely to click through to your site. Increased traffic can translate to higher engagement rates. When visitors find valuable and engaging content on your website, they're more likely to stay longer, explore different pages, and interact with your calls to action. This engagement can lead to increased conversions, whether it's signing up for your newsletter, making a purchase, or contacting you for more information. SEO is not just about driving traffic, it's about driving the right kind of traffic. People genuinely interested in what you offer. Section 5. SEO in action, real-world examples. Let's say you run a small bakery specializing in gluten-free cakes. You start incorporating keywords like gluten-free cakes, dairy-free desserts, and vegan bakery into your website content. You also reach out to food bloggers and ask them to review your bakery. As a result of your SEO efforts, your website starts ranking higher in search results for those specific keywords. More people searching for gluten-free and vegan desserts discover your bakery online. Your website traffic increases, and you start receiving more orders. SEO is an investment that can yield significant returns for your business. By understanding the basics and consistently implementing SEO best practices, you can make your website a magnet for your target audience.